side stand down. Push it forward, right over. And what you need to do is to turn the wheel that way. And you just give it a tug on the rack at the back. And that just
tug.
Pull it backwards.
That's
What that does is, yeah, make sure that it's on, that's it, make sure it's on its side stand. The side stand's not going to fold up.
So is that right like that?
Yeah, that's brilliant.
Super.
Well done, madam.
How was that, Joe?
That was good.
Did you enjoy it?
Scary.
What was it like going for the first time with your feet up?
Terrifying, but fun. Really fun.
Can you wait to get back on?
Yeah, no, I definitely want to do it again. Yeah.
What would you say was the most difficult part?
Thinking of like doing things with both your hands and your legs, it's like playing piano, like it's tapping your head and your stomach at the same time. You have to think about so many different parts.
Well, you did it!
But I did it.
Yay!